Boygan siya. Ma'am, okay na rin ha?
Okay, class, can you please settle down?
Uy, Garcia. Pati si Karomyo, huwag ka na magagamit. Di mo din lang naman alam gamitin niya.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, teachers.
Okay, before we start our lesson, let us seek first the guidance and wisdom of the Lord through a prayer to be led to us by our prayer leader for today. Okay, so you may now take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, before we start our lesson, kindly read our classroom rules, class.
Have you class on time? Raise your hand to speak. Respect each other. Listen to your teacher. Keep your classroom clean. Keep your eyes on your work.
Okay, so what is the lesson that we discussed last meeting? Anyone? Kahapon, ano yung discuss natin last? Okay, Denise?
The topic that we discussed yesterday is the secondary trigonometric ratio.
Is it the secondary trigonometric ratios? Anyone? So it is the finding the ratio of using the primary trigonometric ratios. Okay, so using your calculator, what are the steps on how to get the value of ratios? Okay, for example, cosine 85. How are we going to solve for cosine 85?
Shift.
Okay, solving the cosine 85, just press the cosine and 85 increases. Okay. So, let's try to complete this formula. So, what is the formula for sine? Anyone? Hey, Christina.
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Okay, so it is opposite over hypotenuse. How about the cosine? Okay, Janina.
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
Okay, very good. How about the tangent? Okay, then Ray. Okay, so it is opposite over adjacent. So, in the figure, write triangle top. Angle A is the right triangle and the reference angle is B. Anyone who wants to draw a figure on the board? Anyone? Okay, John Mark. Okay, anyone who wants to label the triangle? Okay, Kelly. Okay. So, is the representation drawn by Kelly correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, what is the equivalent value of sine B? Okay. So, kulang yung ginawa ni Kelly. So, this side will be? And this side is? How about this side? Okay. What is the equivalent value of sine B?
B over A.
Where is our opposite here? Okay, so this is our opposite. And this is? over A. How about our cosine B?
T over A.
Okay, so T over A. Okay, very good class. Okay, so let's see what we shall accomplish for today. Can you read? Okay. Can you read this also? Okay, so in short, this is the formula in finding cosine and sine. Okay. So for example, in a can you read class? Okay. So anyone who wants to label the triangle based on our example there? Okay, Christina. Okay. So this is our angle A. So where is our adjacent here?
C.
Wait. Let's name it first. This is the side B. How about this side? And this side is okay. Sabi doon, find sine 53 degrees. So this is our angle 53 degrees. Okay. So in finding the sine 53 degrees, so what is the, so we will label it as 15. Wait lang, lalagyan ko ng value and then this side is unknown. Okay. So in finding sine 53, what will be the equivalent value of sine 53 degrees? It is small. Wait lang, yung formula muna. Okay, small c over 15. Okay, very good. So what are we going to do next in order for us to solve the small letter c? Okay, Nathaniel? Okay, very good. So this will become cross, okay, 1, and then try to cross multiply. Okay, then c is equal to c times 1, and then equal to sine 53 times 15. Okay, very good. So, C is equal to, can we compute using your calculator? Kindly please take note that this is multiplication. Okay, what is the answer? Okay, very good. Can we stand up? What is the answer that you get? Okay, very good. This is 11.97 or 12. Bakit hindi na nakuha? Only Empress got the correct answer. Okay, how about in finding the cosine? How about we will find the cosine. Gagamitin yung given na to. So, cosine 53 naman tayo. 53 degrees. So, what are the given? So, given muna. Given is angle C is equal to 53 degrees. How about, ano pa, yung given? Okay, so B is equal to 15. And our C is, our C is, nakuha na natin siya. Okay, C is equal to 12, small c. And our unknown is 8. Okay. Anyone who wants to solve for cosine 53? Using the formula for cosine. What is formula for cosine? It is A over B. Okay, anyone who wants to solve on the board? Anyone? Who wants to try? You just substitute the value of A and B. Anyone? Okay, Ben? Okay, can you try on your calculator? Okay, 9.03 or 9. Okay, very good. So we have now the given for A. So this is 9. Okay, so how are we going to solve? To check. We will now try to check whether the values that we got is correct. Okay. So, what are we going to use na formula in order for us to check? Ano ba yung natatandaan? Ano ba yung natatandaan yung formula na meron siyang A, B, and C? Anyone? Anyone? Amen. Ulit. Okay, Gio. Okay, that's correct. Very good. So we will be going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So what is the formula for Pythagorean theorem? A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Okay, anyone who wants to try? Kindly get your calculator here in front. Okay, Kelly. So take note, this B side is our hypotenuse. Okay, very good. From your calculator, kindly check if this equation is equal. What is 9 squared? 81. How about 12 squared? 144. And 15 squared is 225. So 81 plus 144 is? Okay, very good. 225 is equal to 225. 25. Therefore, the given that we got are correct. Okay, so now, I will group you into 4. I will group you into 4. Hindi na siya counting. So, this group, Joe and Empress, dito kayo sa harap. Then, isang group ulit dito. And then, dyan, dalawang row. Dalawa, yung si Jamila at si... Diyan na ilalagay yung sagot ninyo. Sa likod niya na yun. Okay, kindly work as a group. Kindly read the direction, class. Okay, so this is our... Okay, so solve for what is asked. Kindly work as a group. You may form a circle within 3 minutes. So the directions are already there on the Manila paper. So you just try to adopt. Okay, so here's your pencil. And those groups that got answer it first will claim a prize. So first is label the parts of a right triangle. Ano ba yung mga parts ng triangle? So first label the hypotenuse, adjacent, and the opposite. Then next is enumerate the given. And then the last one is solve for cosine 36. Kindly cooperate with your groupmates. Okay, last 2 minutes. Okay, so group of 10 finish first. Can we settle down first and erase the squares? Okay, kindly post your answer on the board. Then, okay, time's up. Kindly post all your work in front. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, group of Joe and group of Nikki. Can you post your answer on the board? Okay. So, group of Bien, can you please explain your answer on the board? Okay, come in front and explain your answer on the board.
So this is our right parallel ABC with the right angle C and reference angle B. This is the hypotenuse. C is equal to 25. This is the opposite. B is equal to 15 and A adjacent. Given A is unknown, B is equal to 15 and C is equal to 25. So we're going to solve for cosine 36 degrees. Cosine 36 degrees is equal to A over 25. So we're going to cross multiply this to find the value of A. A times 1 is equal to cosine 36 degrees times 25. Cosine 36 degrees times 25 is equal to 20.22 or 20. So that is the value of A.
Okay. So, the answer of Bien is correct. So, our value of A is 20. Why are the other groups did not get the correct answer? So, don't forget, Okay, so don't forget na kapag cosine, is cosine din yung pipindutin nyo doon sa calculator nyo, okay? Okay. So now, is our lesson. Okay. So kindly please take a look at this picture. Okay, is our lesson applicable to this? What do you think is that illustration? Anyone? Okay, Jelena, can you please stand and tell it to your classmates? Okay, very good. That game is called soccer. So what do you think is it applicable in our lesson for today? Okay, anyone? Kapag ba nag-claim tayo ng goal, kailangan ba natin ng position para
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, kinakailangan natin ng tamang position para maipasok sa goal yung ball. Okay. So, now, let's have, for us to summarize, for our lesson summary, okay, so let's have an activity called Fill Me In. Okay. So anyone who wants to answer on the board, we have a pagpipilian here. Anyone? Any representative? 6 representative from 4 representative from the class. Okay, Romeo, Bien, and Denise. Another one? Joel. Okay, kindly go in front and try to analyze the given word and face the missing and try to fill in the blank. Okay, number 1 is when we use sign when we know or need the what side. Kapag sign yung gagamitin natin, ano yung kailangan natin? Okay, make it faster. Okay, so everyone, can you read number what?
Use sign when we know or need the opposite side and hypotenuse. We use cosine when we know or need the adjacent and the hypotenuse. Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse.
Okay, so for you to master our lesson, let's have an individual activity. So I will be going to distribute your worksheets, and can you please answer this individually? Okay, within 5 minutes. Okay, meron na bang worksheet lahat? Okay, what is our diamond rule? Keep your eyes on your work, so please follow our classroom rules. So in number 1, enumerate the given and find sine 50. And number 2 is enumerate the given and find cosine 45. As you can see, may mga given na dyan. You just need to substitute the formula for sine and cosine. Okay, please keep your eyes on your work. Okay, are you done? Sino pang hindi tapos? Okay, last 1 minute. Are you done? Okay, so please exchange papers counterclockwise. In 1, okay, can you exchange paper clockwise in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Who wants to answer number 1? Okay. Any other hand? Number 1? Okay, evening. Number 1. Number 2. Then Ray. Okay, number 1. Sino yung number 1, evening? Okay. So, Igni, can you please explain your answer in front? Okay. And wait.
So the reasons are A equals the unknown, E equals 15, and C equals 20. I use the formula sign. I use the cross multiplication. A times 1 plus 5 is 50 degrees times 20. 5 50 degrees times 23 times 53 equals 17.61 or 18.
Okay. So, what is side A natin, which is the opposite? So, tama siya. Opposite is equal to A, and the hypotenuse is 23. So, let's try to check if 18 is correct. What is our A? 18. Okay, 18 squared plus 15 squared is equal to 23 squared. Can you compute on your calculator? Okay, 324 plus is equal to 529. So, 324 plus 225 is? So, what is 23 squared? Okay, so this is 549 also. Therefore, 18 is correct. How about this number 2? Is it correct? So, where is our hypotenuse? Okay. Hypotenuse is? Our adjacent is? And our opposite is 1. Okay. So, cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Therefore, this answer is correct. Okay, very good. So, 4 is correct. So, if you want to check, you can use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so kindly return the paper to the holder. Okay, so 1 point sa given. And then 1 point sa answer. 4 points sa given, 4 points to. 4 points sa given, then 1 point in final answer. Kapag ganito yung given niya, okay lang. Opposite hypotenuse and adjacent. Okay, so finally pass your papers forward. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then paper to the center. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now for your assignment, can this. Answer this on your notebook. And we will discuss it for tomorrow. Okay, so this group of men got a first answer that activity, then they will get a prize. And those who recited will get also a prize. Okay, so next time, since may points naman tayo yung stamp, then you will get a prize next time. Alright, so are you done completing your assignment? Okay, so are there any questions? Okay, so if not, then let's call it a day. Goodbye, class. Yung calculator, can you please enter it in front?
Sige, Bob, nakita.
Mag-picture din tayo, no? I'm for the Okay, kindly go in front for our picture taking.
Paano, ma'am?
Please be seated.
Okay, pass. Okay, boys, make it fast. Malukanag.
Okay, yung mga nasa harapan, ay, Ben, ganyan na lang. Para makita yung,
Hindi makita ni Kelly. Kelly, sa harapan ka na. So maybe the ladies will agbukot basit. I mean, agdumog basit. Kelly, hindi ka na makita dyan. Sige na ladies, agdumog biir.
one, or
Ladies and then gentlemen. Later, 90